Fijian Drua, in only one season, have won the hearts of all rugby lovers in Fiji and internationally, us included. Rugby holds a special place in all our hearts, and what better way to give back to the people of Fiji than to support our own homegrown team, a team we can all call Fijian. Vinod Patel was extremely proud to be part of the inaugural season, and we're more than happy to jump on board again and are pleased to sign up for another 2 years. As part of the sponsor Vuvale, we will join Fijian Drua's formidable support team. Our sponsorship agreement is two-pronged, Vinod Patel and Home and Living. Vinod Patel is the official hardware and building material supplier for the Fijian Drua, and Home and Living supplies the team's furnishing and white goods requirements. Under Home and Living, we'll see our exclusive home appliance brand, Hoover, as the brand partner in this venture. The Player of the Match award shall be named as Hoover's Player of the Match. Hoover is a 100-year-old world-renowned brand and has been keen to join us in support of the Fijian Drua. Each Hoover Player of the Match will receive a $500 Home and Living shopping voucher after every game. Under this sponsorship, our brands are prominently on the goalpost pads and LED signage for all Drua matches, as you can see here as well. We're also in the Fijian Drua dressing room, as well as the big screens at the games. For us to feature at an international level in support of our Drua team is a great feeling. We all know Super Rugby. We all had our old favourites. Unfortunately, I'm an Auckland Blues fan, so no luck recently. But now we have a new favourite. We all look forward to a great season. We wish Mark, Mick, the rest of the management team and the players a great second season. I'm sure you'll all make us very proud. You have Vinod Patel's support, and good luck, and Tosa Drua. Thank you.